Hello there, my name is Lawrence and I'm the owner of CometLeads. Today, let's explain how to use the CometLeads new website and the user dashboard, how to sign up and how to use the AI tools and use lead tracking systems for your business. If you're an Amazon seller, CometLeads is built for your sourcing needs. If you're sourcing hours and hours a day, this is what you need. You will need to automate your business more. So once you type in CometLeads.org, you are shown to this website and you head straight to log in and sign up. And all you gotta do here is sign up, type in your name and your email and the password. Make sure it's a strong password and click sign up. And you will get a notification saying a email link for confirmation have sent to your email. So next step is to confirm your email. Once you have confirmed your sign up, simply head back to the main homepage and click login again. This window will pop up and then just click login and you're logged in. And by default, your plan will be freemium. By simply clicking on the plan in the menu bar, and your premium plan will show up as green and grayed out and show you it is your current plan. And if you want to upgrade, you need to log in first, then click any of these to upgrade. You don't need to cancel your plan in order to upgrade. But if you like to downgrade, then you will need to cancel your plan before you subscribe to another plan. Now let's go talk about how to use your user dashboard. By simply clicking on the dash, you get shown to this user dashboard that's built specifically for your plan. By default, if you're in the freemium plan, you will have 20 credits to use per month, and this tells you once the next time your credit will be reset to 20 again. And this is recurring, and you can use the Close AI completely for free. In the AI toolbar, the Close AI product sourcing agent. This is an automated sourcing tool to help you source efficiently and effectively. It can source any product that you want. If you want to sell any product on Amazon, simply type in the product URL. Suppose I want to sell this Tide Pod. It's selling 90,000 times a month. All you gotta do is copy this Amazon URL and put it into the info box here, and then you have one search URL ready to search. If you want to add more URL, simply click enter, and you don't need a comma. All you need to do is just copy the next Amazon URL into the search bar. Suppose I want to source this OxyClean triple action odor remover. Copy this URL and simply just drop it in here. Now you have two URLs to search. You can select the date of the search. Note that you can only select dates that is in the current date and in the future. But by selecting the dates in the future doesn't automatically schedule your search for the future. This just means the folder name of your search will include the date, and you can change your name here to anything else. And once you're ready, simply just click search. When it's being searched, I highly recommend you to do not close or leave this page. If you leave this page, it may result you in losing the search. And while it's being searched, you can see the result table down here that's being processed. By default, your freemium plan will include these columns. The result table will have the brand name, the product title, Amazon URL, the purchase link, and a close score. The close score is a match score. So based on the product URL you selected and inputted here, we will find where to buy links for you in a purchase link. And the close score determines how closely matched is the purchase link to your Amazon product to help you identify the top matched product. So you don't need to manually and visually match them by yourself. We're just going to wait until this is done. And while you're waiting, you can do something else. Now the search results are done. So you can see them showing up in the results table. And it will show you done. And before you leave this page, make sure to download this. Let me explain what's going on here. You will have the brand name listed in here, brand name of the product, and then this is the product title. You can easily resize and review more. This is the product URL on Amazon, and then you will have the merchant link, which is the purchase link directly linked to the product. So based on the provided close score, you can filter this by the most closely matched product. Once you click on this, it will show you where to buy this product from. In this case, it's Staples. And you simply just go down to each of the merchant link to review, place an order if you're ungated. If you're not ungated, then you should proceed to either search more or try to ungate it. Now, here's how the cost of the search works. Every search will cost you an upfront cost of 0.5 credits. And every row of the result in the result table will cost you 0.1 credits. So in here, it showed me more than 40 results in here. So that costs all of my credits because the amount of results outweighs the amount of credit that I have. And if you want to get access to all these locked features, you have to upgrade to the advanced seller or the pro seller plan to have access to them, which will provide you with a clearer view, depending on how much the price are, by simply comparing to them to determine whether it's even worth it for you to look further. If you're in the pro seller plan or the advanced seller plan, you will have access to the unlocked features in the result table. You will have access to the Amazon price column, retailer price, stock count, it's an in stock, when was it sourced, and you also have an option to add your approved lead into the lead list. The lead list will show up in here. We'll talk about that in a second. First, don't leave this page before you download the file. If you leave this page and click any tab in here, this result table will be erased. So just be aware of that. The highest close score tells you which purchase link is the best match to your Amazon product. But that doesn't mean the lower the close score, the worst match is. You should still go through each of these merchant links to check the website. Maybe you're not looking for your product specifically that you source, but on the website, you will find other opportunities that are also good. Use the website as a doorway to many other opportunities. By checking the retailer price, you see a view immediately whether it is worthy to go ahead and sell the product on Amazon. And the reason why the retailer price fluctuates a lot is because some retailers don't list any price until you add it to cart. In these cases, it might show up as null. And the retailer stock count, this one hallucinates a lot. It is very hard to get a sense of the count unless you have a specific way to access them. Normally don't show it unless you add to cart. But this doesn't affect your ability to check whether the product is good or not. Your job from here is to verify the product link and add them to cart, run coupon checks to make sure that you are profitable before purchasing from any retailer's website. Once you have verified each row in the result table, you can perform the action by adding one of the results to the list. Make sure you add all the results first before you leave this page. If you add one result and go check lead list, this page might be gone. So by adding to the lead list, simply click add to list in the action column at the end of each row. The leads you added from the AI tool search results will come here in the lead list tab. In here, for advanced seller or pro seller plan users, you can add up to 100 uncategorized leads. If you want to create your own list, suppose you want to create a specific Q4 sourcing, then you can create your own list. I got some more leads added in here. When a new lead is being added to the lead list, they're going to be listed under this category called uncategorized. And this category, depending on the subscription tier, the event seller have up to 100 rows in the uncategorized section, but the pro seller plan will have up to 500. When you're trying to categorize these leads, then you can just simply drag and drop this lead into the list and it will be categorized in here and the slot will decrease by 1 in here. In the event seller plan, you can create up to 3 leads lists. If you want more, you will have to upgrade to the pro plan. The pro plan gets up to 20 leads list. In case you want to get rid of a leads list, you can come here and click on this one. If you click unbundle, all the leads within this leads list will be collected in the uncategorized section again. But if there are more than 100 rows listed in here, you will not be able to unbundle. You will have to delete some of these before you can unbundle this to free up some more room for the leads to be uncategorized again. Let's say you have 3 leads lists already. You want to create more. You will have to delete one of the leads lists to make more room for more leads lists. You can use this to keep track of all the products that you would like to buy in one place and create your customized list whenever you want. We have also provided trainings at each level to help you get started to use this tool to the max potential. And there will be also training documents for you listed in here. If you run out of credits, feel free to purchase more credit and to use for your search in the AI tool. Once you're done with this interface, you can simply just log out. And if you have any questions at all, simply just scroll all the way down to join free Discord. In our Discord, simply just open a ticket with your question and explain what you need, and we'll be happy to help you.